Okay, I'm talking to Scott Kunz from Johnstown, Colorado. I understand you're an instructor at Wood Fired University.
I am. Ajit and I met a few years ago when I took the class and have been a chef. It's the only trade I know. That's all I know how to do is cook. And I was fortunate enough to be a part of a group that taught me a lot about business and the acumen of systems and how to run larger operations, but to be able to share that knowledge with other students when they're starting a micro business, I think is really helpful.
So I understand at Wood Fired University, you take it from an intro to, and actually by the end, students are creating their own catering company, so to speak.
Absolutely. Yeah, they come in with lots of questions, all of the unknowns. We try to give them the tools, that the pillars as we teach, the 5 pillars of not just the food, dough and fire management, but staffing and things about permitting. And really it's a lot of hands-on. And by the end of the weekend, absolutely, they're able to put on their own first event.
Oh, that's great. What are some of the pillars of instruction, Scott?
So like I mentioned, dough is probably one of the most feared item when students are coming in. Some of the students have never really gotten their hands on raw dough. Maybe they've played a little in their home kitchen. So that's a big one. Fire is another one. So as you see on the ovens, many of them are all wood fired. So really learning the 3 styles of cooking that go into managing that. Staffing's a big one as well, especially in a small mobile business where cross-training is so important, and helping identify those types of people that are going to be key in your business from.
Sure. I think an interesting thing is, I mean, certainly wood-fired ovens are great for pizza, but you can also do lots of other kinds of food in it too.
Absolutely. We give a sneak peek on Friday evening at the meet and greets when all of the students are coming in that evening on the arrival, and I cater a small menu that's nothing with pizza on it. So
Yeah.
kind of showcasing the capabilities of the ovens, different ideas for catering options, and how to offer those auxiliary items in the catering world.
Okay. And Scott, I understand that you entered in the competition here at Pizza Expo.
Yeah, first time. I've competed in other arenas before, but I figured it was time. I've got a young son who's kind of fallen in passion and love with the pizza world, and more for him just to have some fun. And we did the best cheese slice today, and tomorrow we're going to compete in non-traditional.
Okay, good luck. Can you give us a preview of what's going to be in the non-traditional?
So it's spring inspired, and I remember growing up that Pizza Friday was always in my life, and then Saturday morning cartoons. So the sneak peek is What's Up Doc. We're calling it What's Up Doc. So it's got a spring flair with a carrot vodka puree. I've got a little bit of rabbit sausage, and I can't give you all the secrets, but
Okay.
I think it's going to be pretty good.
Well, all the best to you, Scott. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
How can people contact you? Do you have social media?
Yeah,
accounts?
we're at Nero. So PALANERO _ in between for Instagram. We've got a website. We're in Northern Colorado. If you check us out, we'd love to fire you a pie.
Scott, thanks a lot for taking time to talk to me. All the best to you.
Our pleasure.